Hi, my name is Muhammad Iqmal Izzat bin Osman, and now we are doing practical work 6, that is cleaning the washing machine. So we changed the air conditioner to washing machine. So let's get started. First, turn off and unplug the plug from the socket for safety precaution. The next step is pull the cap of the washing machine by using screwdriver. And after that, you unscrew the screw that attach on the body of the washing machine. Unscrew it by turning it anti-clockwise. After you finish unscrew it, take off the washer from the bottom of the washing machine for cleaning purpose. Next, we're gonna wash the washer by using some washing soap and brush. Make sure you wash it properly to clean all the dirt on it. Make sure you clean it both sides, and make sure you clean the cap and the screw also, because there are also a dirt on it. Then you rinse it with some water. Next, wash the bottom of the washing machine also, because there are some dirt and slush that stuck or trapped behind it. Make sure you wash it properly and make sure it's clean. Next, dry the bottom of the washing machine by using oil cloth. Make sure you dry it and clean all the dirt that you have washed. Make sure you dry it properly. Then dry all the parts that you have washed by using the same oil cloth. Make sure you dry it both sides. After finish cleaning and washing it, reassemble all the parts of it back together. Make sure you place the part on its place and then screw the screw. Make sure the screw is tightened. For the online group discussion for practical work 6, question 1, explain the advantage of using refrigerant R4, R410A compared to R22. It's improved efficiency because R410A is able to absorb and release heat better than R22, making it more energy efficient. Plus, because it's more fluid in temperature changing ability, it does a better job heating and cooling your house quickly.
For the online group discussion for practical work 6, the question number 2 is explain what will happen to the aircon if it is never been cleaned. Okay, the first one is the aircon will have a lot of dust and it will affect its working. The second one, the common problem from the aircon is water leaking inside and outside and dirty air filter. And lastly, the air problem. The dirty from the air conditioner can affect our healthy.
For the online groups discussion, practical work 6, question number 3 is that explain two common electrical problems related to the aircon. So the answer will be number 1, the electrical control failure. Number 2 is the refrigerant leaks. That's all. Thank you.